video, I'm going to show you that how you can find Snapchat users near you. Okay, please watch the full video and leave a like and subscribe my channel. So what you need to do first is go to your Snapchat account. Okay, after going to your Snapchat account, you have to click on the profile option in the top right corner. Okay, after going to the profile, you have to scroll down all the way until you find this snap map. Okay, after that you have to click on the enter option. So what you need to do is turn on your location that Snapchat can find people around you. Okay, after turning on, you have to go back and you have to click on the profile option again, and you have to refresh the screen for a bit. Okay, then after that you have to scroll all the way down again. After that you have to find the snap map. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see this is me and this is the people around me. Okay, so this is how you can find people around you in Snapchat. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.